What's up guys, I'm Chris and this is FlyRyde, where you're going to learn more about the tech and the installs of automotive lighting. And on this channel we talk all about building custom headlights and taillights, and we show you behind the scenes as we build super cool lights for some of your favorite YouTubers. Now if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, do that and hit that notification icon so you don't miss any of the uploads. Alright, controversial topic here. Should GTRs have aftermarket headlights? They got aftermarket taillights and they seem to love those, so I don't see any reason why anybody should be too fancy to get the aftermarket headlights. We're working with our friends at DEPO and we've customized a set of their aftermarket lights. They are super dope. They got a lot of cool extra functions that we added to them, and they're way the hell cheaper than stock. So what's not to love? So this is going to be the third video that we've done on these exact lights, and I think it's just about time that we finish some cool aftermarket modifications to them, get them shipped off, and get them on a car. Popular questions I've been getting lately: can you save money by hitting us up directly and getting an exact shipping quote? Yes, you can, so you should do that. Popular question number 2, can you get this LED turn signal look on your OEM lights? No, you cannot. The only way is if you get the DEPO lights, because it's integrated in from the DEPO factory. They make them, they have that cool upgraded function, and that's why people want to buy them, because they look a little bit different than stock and they're super cool. And if you don't have that super cool look, it's because you already have the OEM lights, so you know, you're already winning. Anyway, cool thing about these lights, we can do all of the original stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 packages that I talked about in the last GTR video. That means if you want them to still be plug and play and you want the lightning bolt to light up extra bright white and it turn amber for the turn signal, then you just get stage 1. We hook up all the internals, we paint them black, we do the same satin black finish that we do on all of the OEM lights. It's just we do them on the DEPO light, and it looks really, really clean, especially with that upper LED section. And of course you can get stage 2, which is what these lights have. They have the upgraded LED color changing lightning bolt, and they also have the color changing demon eyes, which means not rings, but like glowing little, I don't know what I'm doing. This is an angel eye, and the other thing is a demon eye,
which is just the glowing LED inside the actual projector as opposed to a ring mounted to the face of it. Make sense? Check out the process as we assemble this set, and then we will show off all the fancy LED goodness next.
you guys, if you're watching this GTR video because you have a GTR and you like these videos because you're learning stuff about options that you didn't know you have, definitely subscribe to the channel. It's right over there, I think. I might be wrong and it might be over there. Shit.